Hello guys, how are you? I'm just fine. Today we're going to check two topics from vocabulary. The first of all is shapes, and then we're going to check adjectives describing shapes and lines. So please, we're going to start and practice the vocabulary. We have the arc. The arc is a vertical curved structure that spans an elevated space and may or may not support the way above it. Circle. A circle is a round plane figure whose boundary, the circumference, consists of points equidistant from a fixed point, the center. The hexagon. The hexagon is a plane figure with 6 straight sides and angles. The oval. The oval is a rounded and slightly elongate outline or shape like that. Parallelogram. We have a parallelogram that it is a shape with 4 sides. The opposite sides are parallel. Pentagon. The pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. Polygon. A polygon is a shape with 3 or more sides. Rectangle. A rectangle is a shape with 4 sides and 4 right angles. The opposite sides have to be equal to each other, but all 4 sides are not equal. Right angle. A right angle has an angle of 90 degrees. It is formed by two perpendicular lines. Semicircle. A semicircle is a one-dimensional locus of points that forms half of a circle. Square. A square is a polygon with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. A triangle. This is a polygon with 3 sides. Now we're going to check the adjectives describing shapes and lines. Remember that an adjective is a word or phrase naming an attribute, added or grammatically related to a noun, to modify or describe it. Circular. Equal. Parallel. Perpendicular. Round. Rectangular. Square. Straight. Triangular. So guys, this has been everything for today. If you have any doubt, with pleasure I will clarify it. Remember to repeat the words constantly, because if not, probably you will forget it. So try to understand the meanings by the shapes, the forms, the images. So please practice. Thank you very much. See you.